Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Buzz into Spring drawing. Now, this happens to be Easter morning, and so my design team member group and a couple other groups that I'm in are buzzing in saying Happy Easter. So if you hear a ding or whatever, I apologize. It didn't happen in the Sweet Pea Papers drawing because I did it at 4:30. So what we're going to do today is we're going to use our random number generator, and we're going to generate winners for the prizes. I want you to remember that in order to win your prize, you need to contact me either by email or by Facebook Messenger, and both of those ways to get a hold of me will be on the screen right now. And then I will send you the information on how to claim your prize, and that's just the easiest way to go. I'm not going to hunt you down. You can hunt me down. You're the winner. And yeah, so that's it. You can win in the Junk Journal Tutorials and More and in the Sweet Pea Papers drawing, but you can't win more than once in each drawing. All right, and don't forget to go over to the Sweet Pea Papers video on YouTube and check and see if you won there, because they're two separate drawings, two separate sets of prizes, and so you can win in both. All right, okay, so here we go. Let's go over to the random number generator and let's open the spreadsheet. Now we had 267 or 66 entries. So let's put 266. We had 272 in Junk Journal. In Sweet Pea Papers. I get confused. So first, let me tell you what the prizes are. The first place prize is 3 Junk Journal kits from LineDotArrow or Nonstop Papercrafts, or you can split it up, like 1 from one and 2 from the other, like that. The second place prize is 2 Junk Journal kits from LineDotArrow or Nonstop Papercrafts, and the third place prize is 1 Junk Journal kit from LineDotArrow or Nonstop Papercrafts. So you want to definitely let me know if you've won, because those are great prizes, and yeah, and so anybody would be lucky to get those. So now let's generate for our third place prize, and that's going to be the 1 Junk Journal kit, and that's going to be number 158. Excuse my voice. Number 158, right here, Melinda McKim Davis. So she won the third place prize. Let's go back over here. Let's generate a new number, and this is going to be for second place, and that's going to be 2 Junk Journal kits. Number 62. This is the easiest way. I'm so glad I thought to do it this way, the drawings or whatever. Oh, good. And this is Sophie Van Dale. The only reason I say oh, good is there are people that I see that enter every month and haven't won yet. So I'm happy for Sophie. Congratulations. And you can let me know or contact me and claim your prize. And that's how that'll go. Okay, so the first place prize and the winner of 3 Junk Journal kits is number 202. Those super low numbers don't seem to be having very good luck in both of these drawings this month. Last month, they were all under 40. Okay, Darlene Holt won first place. Congratulations, Darlene. You've won 3 Junk Journal kits. Yay! Think of all the projects you're going to be able to make. And be sure to get a hold of me, and I will give you the information on how to download. Once again, don't forget to check the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group drawing, which both of these are going to be posted on YouTube, of course, and in the groups. So make sure to give them a watch and see if you've won. I also, there was something else I was going to tell you. Next month, we're going to have another collaboration, and it's just going to be the 4 Facebook groups and the LineDotArrow Facebook group / Etsy shop. And so you're going to want to pay attention this next month, because, well, actually it's this month now. No, it's not. Today is the 31st. Anyway, you're going to want to pay attention in April, let's put it that way, because it's LineDotArrow's 4th anniversary for being at Etsy. And so to celebrate that, she's going to be giving deals and bargains and everything, and we'll have collaboration challenges and all that stuff just like we do normally. Okay, well, that's it for this video, and I will see you next month for next month's drawing. And I hope you have a great Easter. Today just happens to be Easter. And I will see you in the next drawing. Okay, alrighty, bye-bye.